What do you get when you work with Elegant? One of the benefits of working with a company that has pretty much everything under one roof is when you are trying to do an exteriors project, but that relates to more of a remodeling and builder side. A normal exteriors company will not have the resources to do above and beyond, and then you're looking for a secondary company to do it. With us, we have it all under one roof, and we can provide a full service with one phone call, one person to contact, one warranty, and make everything work out.
What's the advantage of working with one company for both construction, carpentry, and exteriors? Well, let me tell you the importance of something like that. We run into people all the time that they want a deck, they want a 3-seasons room, and while we're there, we might as well do your roof, we might as well do your siding, and let's talk about windows. Well, when you deal with Elegant, you get Elegant builders and you get Elegant exteriors. You also have a project manager for that whole entire project, and you're not calling 15 different people and hoping that they're all good. You're making one phone call and that's all. Scheduling. It is not as easy as a homeowner making a phone call and telling Bill the plumber to show up on Tuesday. Bill the plumber is going to need to have a Google reminder on his calendar. He's going to need a project coordinator calling him and reminding him that he's got to show up that day. And then he's going to need the project manager to meet him there that morning as well to actually ensure that things get done the right way. Homeowners sometimes expect they can hand off a plan to their subs and think that it's all going to turn out all fine and dandy. No, as general contractor, my partner Brian says it best all the time. We have to know our partners' jobs just as well as they do, so we can determine what takes place, not what the plan says or not what they want to do.
With Elegant, we do hire specialists for each part of the job, but they're partners of ours. We work together with them for many years. We know what they're supposed to do, what their job is, and what they're required to do to get the inspections passed, to get the schedule keep flowing. That's one of the benefits of working with Elegant. You call us. When you're working with individual contractors, there are going to be a lot of finger wagging. It wasn't my job, it wasn't my fault. Well, that's not happening here. You're going to call us, we're going to figure that part out, but in the meantime, we're going to solve that problem and get you taken care of. When we put together a scope of work for you, everything that's in that scope of work is included in the price. Change orders do happen.
Yeah, change orders. I mean, they happen. In most cases, our procedures and our standard operating procedures take care of finite details from the start before you even sign a contract. It goes more in depth than just the plans. I mean, we provide a very, very, very in-depth scope of work, all the way down to the number of outlets, the number of switches, the size of your casing and trim, and so on and so forth. And then we do provide healthy allowances. And allowances, let's say you've got countertops, we give you $10,000 to go to the countertop store. That $10,000 should get you some very nice stuff. If you want really, really, really nice stuff, you're gonna spend a little bit more money. That's you. However, we have it happen all the time. People go in and pick the countertops and they're like, I love that granite over there, and I just saved $2,000. Awesome. A lot of times budget is in control of the customer. We set some very good allowances to help guide them through that process. But when change orders happen, they happen, and we take care of it smoothly. Quality control starts with the boots on the ground, as I like to call them, which are the installers. Okay, they've got to care about their job. They've got to want to do a good job. We feel that we've got a group of individuals that actually do. So you go from them, and then you go into the project manager's role, where the project manager goes to that job every day, in the morning, at night, sometimes during the day, to make sure things are looking good. It's his job to say, I'm sorry, but that miter is not a miter. You're gonna have to go ahead and take that up and redo it. And then a lot of times Brian and I do care and love these businesses, so we do go on site quite often. And our eyes a little more intense than others? Yes. But the goal is to not have the homeowner view something that we wouldn't like. So Brian and I live and die by something. If it's what you expect in your home, it's what you should expect on others, period. We can talk about warranties till we're blue in the face, right? I mean, manufacturers have these long, extended lifetime warranties. Actually, if you watch one of our previous videos, you can get our true thoughts on that. But what you're hiring and what you're asking is for a builder to provide you a workmanship warranty, which we do. And we stand behind everything and anything. We give 1 solid year, make a list as time goes by, write it down, we'll see in a year. but we also do purchase the said extended warranties like a roof. You can give a lifetime warranty shingle, which is really just a 10-year shingle warranty, or you can do what we do, which is purchase a 50-year non-prorated full replacement warranty, which covers all of the labor and all of the material if something goes wrong in that time frame. Lifetime warranty windows, lifetime warranty siding, 30-year siding. There are so many warranties. What you're hiring is a trusted contractor that's going to back their workmanship.
With Elegant, there's no guessing who's at fault. You're going to call us, we're going to service the warranty issue and take care of you.
For ourselves, I think we've mentioned it a couple times in these videos, but going for the low bid on anything. Come on, you guys watch and read Google articles over and over. It never works out. For Brian and I, we do not shop our bids. We set the price in most cases, especially on our exterior side of business. On our construction side of business, we have the same guys. We don't bid per square foot and say, this is gonna cost X. Thank you for signing this contract, and then go find the lowest bid, because that never works.
So whether you're looking for an exteriors project, a remodeling project, or a new home construction project, you can give us a call.
262-825-4777.
Or visit our websites below.